Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones REALME Buds T110. You have to start by remove the headphones from the charging case. Now press and hold both of touches areas for at least 10 seconds to make a hard reset. Here we go. Now put your headphones to the charging case, then close the case and click on settings icon near to your headphones, then forget device. Now open the case again and click pair new device, of course, and add your headphones. Pair, and here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!